Buy the AirTag in the link below. AirTag offers several advantages for keeping track of your belongings. Seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. AirTags work similarly with other Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Mac through the Find My app. Easily set up and pairing with just a single tap. No need for separation subscriptions or additional accounts. Accurate and precision tracking. Utilizes Bluetooth Low Energy for closer range track and Ultra Wideband (UWB) technology for precision location in specific areas. Provides an on-screen arrow guidelines you the exact location of your AirTag. Play a sound from the AirTag to help you locate it easily, especially indoors. Enhancing security and privacy. Encrypted location data protecting your privacy. Launch model allow you to display a message and contact information of the AirTag if found by someone else. And wanted tracking alerts notify you in a unknowledge AirTags is moving with you. Additional features. Water and dust resistant make them suitable for everyday use. Small and lightweight design ensures they can be attractive to various items without adding bulk. Replaceable battery with a long lifespan lasting over a year. Supports NFC for easily contact information sharing by tapping an iPhone or compatible smartphones. Environmental benefits. Made with 100 recyclable fin in the solder of the main logic board. Mercury free and BFR free. Here are some specific examples of how AirTags can be helpful. Find lost keys, wallets, and bags. Track language while traveling. Located misplaced items around the house. Keeping on eyes or children or pets. Monitor valuable equipment or tools. Overall, AirTags offer convenient and effective way to keep track of your belongings, providing peace of mind and helping your location then quickly if they become lost and misplaced. Buy the AirTag in the link below.